Let's do what it do and slick this stuff down. Hello everyone on this lovely afternoon. I hope everyone is doing well. This is Shauna B. This is a beauty, lifestyle, DIY, and motherhood channel. So if you're interested in that type of content, this is the place to be. Hope you stick around. But I'm just going to be showing a quick little sleek ponytail that I do in between my styles. I did a silk press, or not really a silk press, but I just straightened my hair and I gave it a good trim just to see where it is. This is queen bee hair that I use in the full length. I think it's like 26 inches. So it's a good brand of hair. I really like it because it don't tangle. And I did do my makeup in a previous video that I'll go ahead and post. I tend to do these slick backs every once in a while. I was ended up changing my mind in the middle because I was going to do half up, half down, as you see right there. But I ended up just slicking it all back. And this is a wax stick that I'm using. And I noticed that it does a lot better than just a regular beeswax for my hair type. I am naturally thin, more so in the front than in the back. Because the front, of course, gets more manipulation than the back. And I have discovered that I can fill in my edges with henna. So I'll be showing you guys that in a more detailed video. I did share a little bit of that in a previous video, but it definitely helps. And I do use like castor oil and the, oh, I can't think of the name of it. I always show the oil in here, but I use that. It's the miel rosemary oil, I think is what it is. So that's all I'm doing, nothing spectacular. My hair is naturally thin, so if you want to see how it turns out on thin hair, go ahead and keep watching, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. Go ahead and hit subscribe, and appreciate all that support. See you guys in the next one. Bye.